So I've written a book called Liberalism and its Discontents, which is now going to be published in Kazakh and in Russian. It's a book about a political idea that individuals should be given freedom by their government in terms of rights that are protected by the state, by a rule of law that prevents governments from being too powerful. It's an important idea that is several centuries old, and it has really produced the kind of liberal world order that I think is responsible for a lot of the growth and prosperity and peace that we've experienced in the world since 1945. But it's under attack by many forces on both the right and the left, from populists and nationalists on the conservative side, and by people that want greater redistribution and more social justice on the progressive side. And I think it's important to remind people why a liberal society is still the best kind of society that they can hope for, and that's the reason that I wrote this book.